Inside this golden wrapper is one of the most recognizable chocolates in the world, Choc-thing, and it starts as a single roasted hazelnut.
This factory produces millions of these chocolates every single day. Let me show you exactly how this chocolate is made, layer by layer.
Every batch begins with hazelnuts, sourced and delivered fresh.
Before anything enters the factory, it has to pass inspection. Roasting brings out the rich, deep flavor hazelnuts are known for. Fresh out of the roaster, the aroma alone fills the entire factory floor.
Only whole, perfectly roasted hazelnuts are selected for the center of each chocolate.
Every nut needs to be exactly the right size to fit inside the shell.
A second batch is ground into a smooth hazelnut paste for the filling. This rich paste becomes the creamy layer inside every chocolate. At the same time, thin wafers are baking nearby. These delicate wafers add the signature crunch inside every piece. Each wafer is cut to the exact size needed for the center. Wafer pieces are folded into the hazelnut paste, creating that signature crunchy center. A whole hazelnut is placed at the very heart of each piece. The paste is shaped around it into a smooth, round center. A quick chill firms up each center before the next layer.
Now it's ready for its first coat of chocolate.
Meanwhile, the chocolate itself is being carefully refined nearby. Hours of slow mixing give the chocolate its smooth, silky texture.
Chocolate has to be tempered at an exact temperature to get that perfect snap.
Now it's ready to coat every single center. Now it's ready to coat every single center. Each center passes beneath a steady curtain of melted chocolate. Every angle gets an even, glossy coating. A cooling tunnel sets the chocolate shell in place.
Now it looks almost like the finished piece.
Crushed hazelnuts are showered over every piece. The soft chocolate catches every piece, creating that signature crunchy exterior. One more chill locks the hazelnut coating in place. Every batch is cut open and checked in the lab. Every layer has to be perfectly proportioned, every single time.
Only chocolates that pass every test move on to wrapping.
A camera checks every piece for shape and coverage. Anything that isn't perfect gets pulled aside instantly. Now comes the wrapper everyone instantly recognizes.
Each piece is wrapped with precision, every fold identical.
Row after row, the gold wrapping catches the light beautifully.
Even the small paper cup gets placed with care.
The chocolates are arranged carefully into their trays.
Now they're ready for the box you'd recognize on the shelf.
A final wrap keeps everything fresh until it reaches you.
This tiny code traces the box back to the exact batch.
One last check before it's ready to ship.
Boxes are grouped together for shipping. Sealed tight, ready to survive the trip to the store.
Stacked and wrapped, ready for the warehouse. Stacked and wrapped, ready for the warehouse.
From here, it's just days away from a store shelf near you.
After every step, this is the result. A Puman, a chocolate made of pure craftsmanship.
From a single hazelnut to this golden chocolate tete gemite, that's how it's really made.